Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of GBPUSD. After FOMC, we were expecting some volatility, but sadly, market gave us some mixed response, and we can see that GBPUSD is right now stuck in the middle. The range of GBPUSD that we discussed in our previous video is still the same. We have 1.2665 to 1.2655 at the bottom, which is also acting as a support for the market. On the other hand, we have 1.2740, 1.2730 as the resistance for the market. So sellers are present here, buyers are present here, and right now market is stuck in the middle. So in this type of market where we do not have any particular direction, market is choppy and we are confused, okay, the simple strategy that you can follow is buy at support, sell at resistance. Nothing to worry. Okay, this is the only trading strategy that you can follow in this market condition. But there are some other aspects also that we need to discuss, so let's discuss one by one. First of all, we have a long list of events for the day. We have many news coming up, so there will be some volatility, there will be some craziness in the market during the US session. So beginners, new traders, traders with low capital, do not try to gamble with your hard-earned money. Market will be volatile. Your stop losses may not work because of extreme spikes. Try to protect your capital. Observe the market, gain some experience, but do not gamble with your capital. Okay. And if you look at the chart of DXY, then DXY after FOMC tried to move up, but it failed to cross the previous resistance. So the resistance of 103.60 is still very much valid, because DXY is also stuck in a range right now, 103.60 to 103.50, and then we have 102.70. This is the range of DXY. In case of a big drop in the market, then yes, we can expect some support around 102.7080 level. But right now, DXY's struggle, the battle is going on in this particular portion of the market. If DXY really wants to continue the upside, then it will have to cross 103.60. Then only we can expect that market is going up. Otherwise, the market will be inside the range and things will not be very beautiful for DXY. Let's wait and watch how DXY performs, whether DXY is able to break the range after the news or not. And as I said about GBPUSD, the things are quite simple because of the choppy nature of the market here. Buy at support and sell at resistance. But one thing I would like to add here is that you can see when market came down from the resistance, when price got rejected, okay, it did not come down to the support level. So usually whenever market is stuck in a range, listen to me carefully, market is stuck in a range here, then it should be like this. Okay, market should be bouncing from support, reversing from resistance. It should be like this. But whenever you'll see that market is reversing from the resistance but not going down to the support level, it means that buyers in the market are still very much present and they are trying their best to take the market up. So in this market condition, though we can clearly see that it's a choppy market, sideways market, but still buyers have an edge because buyers are a little bit more powerful and still they are trying their best to take the market up, because of which market is not coming down to the support level. So by the European session, okay, if we see that GBPUSD is going up from here, then this time there is a good chance that market will try to break the resistance. Why? Because market has tested the level 2 or 3 times. And this time, okay, the buyers will try their best to take the market up. In case market breaks also the resistance, do not be surprised, because already we had the indication that buyers were trying their best, buyers are present, so do not be surprised. Okay, so what should be a strategy? So before US session, if market goes up, observe the volatility of the market. See, for a breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important. Without volume, breakout or breakdown is not possible. It becomes a false breakout. So without volume, if you see the market is going up, if you see that Market is going up, but the size of candles are not very convincing. Small candles. It means that market does not have volume, and there's a high chance that the breakout will not sustain. In that case, you can look for a sell. And on the other hand, if you see clear price rejection candles, if you see clear price rejection from above, market forming shooting star or something like that, will give you a clear cut information, confirmation that sellers are still present, and also you can look for a sell. So observe the volatility of the market and then take the decision. And if you get clear price rejection from above, then it's a good idea to take a sell, and you can click on the sell button. But yes, as market will be going up from the middle portion of the chart, we need to be a little bit careful, because buyers in the market are very much trying their best to take the market up. And as I showed you that we have a long list of events coming up. So whenever there is a long list of events, we don't get to see much volatility before the news. Before the news, market prefers to stay silent. So as a result, do not trust any breakout or breakdown before the news. After news, anything may happen, because fundamentals will come into the scene. Fundamentals will dominate the market. But before the arrival of fundamentals, if you see that breakout or breakdown, try to avoid. Okay, not only in GBP USD, it is applicable for all the US dollar pairs. Okay, and my dear friends, probably you guys already know that the workshop has started. The Hindi workshop has started, and the English workshop will start from day after tomorrow. If you're still interested for the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop, then feel free to sign up, because it's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Everything is mentioned on the website. If you have queries, then feel free to watch the video on the description box, because a couple of days ago I made a Q&A video regarding the workshop. So if you're very much serious about trading but not finding the right way, then you can definitely consider joining the workshop, because it's the best part is the fees. Okay, so these are the dates. Everything is mentioned on the website. Feel free to check out if you still haven't signed up and still interested. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. And as I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. So observe the market, gain experience during the news, but do not try to gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, and if you really want to check out the timing of the news, then simply go to the any economy calendar. Okay, you can go to any economy calendar. I'm using the MyFX book. Okay, you can also go to the famous forexfactory.com, and please change the time according to your time zone, so that you can be ready. You can see here, this is my current time zone. Okay, change the time zone so that you can understand, okay, how many hours there or how much time left. Okay, so bye bye, take care.